Hello students, today we are going to learn types of sets. We'll see types of sets. Now, what are types of sets? First is singleton set, second empty set, or this is also known as null set, third finite set, and fourth infinite set. So single we are going to learn what all these sets are. First we'll take singleton set. Exactly what is singleton set? Here a set consisting of single element is called singleton set. That is, for example, we'll take 6 or any number 7 like this. Or if one example is there, y is equal to y is such that y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we are going to solve this. How we are going to solve this? Y minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 5. Therefore we are getting one single number. This single number means singleton set. Second, empty set or null set. So empty set or null set. Empty set or null set means what? Which is not having any numbers. That is called empty set. Empty set is written like this. Something if we'll take B, or this is 5. 5 means you'll write like O or 0, you'll cut it. That is 5. Empty set or 5. We'll take one example. Like x is such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. We are supposed to take x is even prime number greater than 2. So, even prime number greater than 2. 2 is the only prime number. There are no prime numbers greater than 2. That means this is equal to empty set. Or you can write 5. Now, we'll take third. Third is what? Finite set. What is finite set? If the number of elements are limited and countable. Countable means how? If we'll take one example, P is such that P is a number from 1 to 10 divisible by 2. So what will be the answer? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So it is closed. P is the number formed from 1 to 10 divisible by 2. Means 2, 4, 2 is also divisible by 2, 4, 6 is also divisible by 2, 8 is also divisible by 2, 10 is also divisible by 2. This is finite set. Now we'll see infinite set. Fourth is infinite set. What is infinite set? Where you cannot count as such, unlimited. We'll take example. N is such that n is a natural number. N is a natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, unlimited. Natural numbers you cannot count. Therefore, it is unlimited. Infinite sets. Next set. We are supposed to learn equal sets. We'll take this examples. What is equal sets? We'll take one example where A is equal to X is such that X is a letter in word life. L-I-F-E. So, how we are going to take L-I-F-E. One thing you are supposed to remember is you cannot repeat the alphabet. Life means L-I-F-E, that's all. B. Y such that Y is a letter in the word file. So, what you are going to take? File, that is F-I-L-E. Here you can see in both the sets you are finding same. Here L, I, F, F, E, E. That means all the elements present in set A is present in set B. We can write set A and B contain the same elements. Therefore, A is equal to B. Now we'll see another example in equal sets only. Second example. This is first example. Second example is A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Here you can see elements present in A is not present in B. So, here A is not equal to B means not equal sets. On this basis, exercise 1.2 we are going to study today. I am going to explain each and every problem of exercise 1.2. Question number 1 is, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. We are supposed to tell equal sets or not. Here A is equal to X is such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. And B is equal to X is such that X is a natural number. We are supposed to solve this. Now, natural number, but X is neither prime nor composite. So, we'll solve first A. We'll solve 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1. So, in this A set, you have 1. And we are going to see the other set, B set. What it is asked? X is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. So, prime number starts from 2 and composite 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, here both you'll get as 1. So, now here one more is given. C is such, x is such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 2. So, we'll solve C. X belongs to natural number and x is less than 2. Natural number starts from 1. So, less than 2 means 1. You can see from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3, A is equal to B is equal to C. That means A and B and C have equal number, that is 1. They are equal set. Now question number 2. Decide whether sets A and B are equal sets. Another problem. A is given as even prime numbers. Even prime numbers. So, even prime numbers, answer will be 2. And what is B? X is such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. We'll solve. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 upon 7. X is equal to 2. So B you are getting as 2. We'll put this as equation 2 and we'll put this as equation 1. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, A is equal to B. A is equal to B means they both contain same element 2. Now we'll see third question. What is third question? Which of the following sets are empty sets? And if they are, so why? So A is equal to, A is such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. So A is a natural number smaller than 0. So smaller than 0. Smaller than 0, can there be any number? No. That will be the integers. So it is not a natural number. So A is equal to empty set, or you can write 5. We'll see B. What is given? X squared is equal to 0. Therefore X will be 0. So we have element B is equal to 0. It is not an empty set. C. See what is given? 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll solve this. 5x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 5. X is equal to 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. But what condition is? The third condition is what? X belongs to natural number. Here X belongs to natural number. So X is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is not a natural number. Therefore C is equal to empty set. It is given that X belongs to natural number. Here we got X is equal to 2 by 5. You can take this as a rational number. So it is an empty set. We'll see question number 4. What is question number 4? Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Question is finite or infinite. First, A is equal to X is such that X is less than 10 and X is a natural number. X is a natural number. So what we are going to take? Less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means it is fixed. It is fixed. Therefore, set A is a finite set. Second question. What is given? B. Y is such that Y is less than minus 1 and Y is an integer. Y is less than minus 1. Less than minus 1 means minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. But it will be minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You cannot stop. This is infinite set. Set B is infinite. Less than minus 1 means minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Third question. What is third question? C. Set of students of class 9 from your school. We have this in our school diary or something in school record, finite. So we know how many students are there in class 9. So it is finite set. Fourth, set of people from your village. So number of people in the village are countable. So they are finite set. So it is finite set. Fifth question. Set of apparatus in the laboratory. Yes, you can count how many operators, so it is finite set. Sixth question. Set of whole numbers. Whole numbers, they are not countable, so it is infinite set. Seventh. Set of rational numbers. Again, you cannot count. There are infinite rational numbers, so this is infinite